So join us as we travel Honduras. We got a guided tour happening in a little while. We're going to go to a nature reserve. We're going to go to a beach. We're going to come back. We're going to do a little walking around. It's going to be a fun day. Alright, so this is the view from the rum factory. It's beautiful. Alright, so we are going to explore Gumbalimba Animal Reserve. So let's have a good time. It's actually pretty cool. So far we're going around looking at the different plants, some of the lemon leaves and stuff like that, or lime. It's been pretty good. Cinnamon. Let's keep this train going. Alright, so we're going to take this drawbridge, or this rope bridge that's here. Casey's doing it. Fantastic. I'm afraid of heights, but I'm doing it anyway. It's like 236 feet. So it's my turn now. It is a little wobbly. So like if you don't walk in the middle, it does sway from side to side a little bit. But you know, we make it work. That's what it's like there. That's what it's like there. So the coolest part about this whole thing is like the kids are doing it, which is great. You know, get to really enjoy this experience. They got the zip line is right up there. They zip line from one section to the next. London just asked if she could go zip lining. So far it's been a fun time. Great. Great thing about this is that all the monkeys and stuff are actually just walking around you. So you have to be careful. Don't. She pretty much said don't have anything you don't mind losing with you, because they'll take it. See, look at them, just crawling right there. I got another one with a baby on her back right here. So it's been pretty cool. Kids got to hold a parrot, a macaw, and have a good old time. was actually a really great day here at Roatan. We went through Anderson Tours. It was a little weird starting off because like you got to walk through the city of Coxenhold, and it's a little weird. It's a little shady looking. But once we got there, got into the van, everything was cool. Our guide was actually really solid, just taking us around. We stopped at chocolate tasting place. We also stopped at a rum place where I bought a bottle of rum. And then we finally got to the actual animal reserve, which was pretty cool to hang out. And now the kids are at the beach. Not that big of a beach because it's right there and right there. But it's quiet. The waves are minimum. The kids could see the ground clearly. There's no rock, so it's probably not the most beautiful beach to look at. But if you look down, there's a bunch of water down there. It's really nice, you know, but you could probably go to another beach. Our tour guide actually said that if he wanted us to, he could take us to another beach that's owned by a resort or something like that. You just have to pay a 5-day pass, but not too worried about that. The kids are getting tired anyway. But he took us all over the island. He took us to see the different districts and kind of get to see like the different sides of the island. Was great. The tour here, we had an actual different tour guide here. This one's actually done through the actual place itself, and it was great. We got to hang out with some monkeys, got a couple, I guess, macaws. Got to climb a raggedy looking rope bridge, which was a little intense at first, but case in my battery died on my other camera, but luckily it was 2 G7X for the win. X grandma for tower. X grandma for tower. But until next time, people, have a good one.